Formal na inulunsad ng Baguio City Health Services Office katuwang ang pamahalang lungsod ng Baguio at mga pribadong sektor ang programang Ligtas Tigdas Measles Rubella Supplemental Immunization Activity noong ika-3 ng Agosto sa tanggapan ng Baguio City Health Services Office. Sinimulan ang libreng pagbabakuna sa araw na iyon at magpapatuloy ito mula August 10 hanggang August 28 sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Cordillera. Ayon kay Department of Health Cordillera Regional Director Amelita Pangilinan, bumaba ng 40% ang naitalang kaso ng tigtas sa rehiyon.
Between January to July of this year, the measles rubella cases across our region dropped by 40% compared to the same period last year. And this did not happen overnight or by accident. It happened because parents brought their children to the health centers, because our bakuna champions, the barangay health workers, went to do door-to-door to check, to do defaulter checking or tracking. And because the local governments like Baguio City kept this on their health agenda. What should worry us more is measles itself, the disease itself, that spreads through the air faster than almost anything we know, and one that can lead to complications like pneumonia, meningitis, blindness, or worse, death. Only vaccination keeps that risk away. So here are my 3 things to remember about vaccines. First, we would like to emphasize that vaccines are safe. The science behind life-saving immunization had been proven time and again. It is one of the most important medical innovations in history. Second, vaccines are effective. Exactly 50 years ago, our country's national immunization program began. Since then, millions of Filipino kids have been and continue to be protected against vaccine-preventable diseases. And third, the last but not least, these vaccines are free and they are available here at your nearest health centers. Wala po kayong babayaran ni Pusing. Okay, so please bear that in mind.
Hinihikayat naman ng mga eksperto sa kalusugan ang mga magulang at tagapag-alaga na pabukunahan ang mga batang edad 6 hanggang 59 na buwan o mga batang wala pang 5 taong gulang. Maaaring dalhin ang mga bata sa pinakamalapit na primary healthcare center sa mga barangay o sa Baguio City Health Services Office upang mapanatili ang pagbaba ng mga kaso at maprotektahan sila laban sa tigdas at rubella.
So tulong po ninyo, mga mothers, mga fathers na nandito, i-chismis nyo po, ito po ang tamang chismisan period po, up to August 28. Yung anak ko, na MR na kayo, yung anak mo, wala pa siyang 5 years old, dalhin na natin siya sa health center. Yan po ang tamang chismis na gagawin natin itong buwan ng Agosto.
Sa pamamagitan ng pakikiisa ng mga magulang at komunidad sa vaccination campaign, inaasahang mapipigilan ang muling pagtaas at pagkalat ng mga kaso ng tigdas at rubella sa Baguio City at sa buong rehiyon ng Cordillera. Anjay Dumiles para sa Herald Express.